this WhatsApp message of the new product launch. And do you think that someone is sitting at the back end and sending this new product launch WhatsApp messages manually to all their customers? No, they simply use a trick of bulk WhatsApp messaging. And in this video, I'll show you how you can set up bulk WhatsApp messaging for your own business. Be it sending product launch messages to all your customers, nurturing your leads through bulk WhatsApp messages, or doing much more. So let's get started. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of this sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. What do I mean by free credits? That you can try Pabbly Chatflow for free, send bulk WhatsApp messages for free, and then once you try and like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, you just have to choose a plan, go on this have a coupon, and simply apply this amazing discount coupon code which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But I'll suggest you first try and test Pabbly Chatflow. If you like it for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and this is the most important window because first of all, you have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see, I have already added my WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number, first of all, add it. If you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, you're going to find the complete tutorial in the description box below. You can refer to that. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number, you can also find a complete tutorial on your computer screen when you open the dashboard. You can check that out too. Okay, once you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow in order to set up the broadcast WhatsApp messaging, or you can say bulk WhatsApp messaging. Now click on this add broadcast button. Once you click on this add broadcast button, it is asking you for the broadcast type, so keep it as broadcast campaign. For the name, I'm just going to name this as new launch. Now let's move on further. It is asking me for the contact list. Over here, you have to select the contact list to whom you want to send the messages. So over here, in order to select the contact list, you first have to create one, right? So in order to create one, you have to open your contact section from the left hand of the side, and now you're going to see this is the contact list section from where you can create your contact list. And if you want to learn how to add your contacts, you can go on this add contact button and add a single contact. If you want to upload bulk contacts, go on this add bulk contacts and upload a CSV file. And over here, to get the CSV file, simply enter the details of your customer in a spreadsheet. Go on this file, download, and download this in CSV format and upload it over here. The bulk contacts will be uploaded. Further, you can segregate in list and then set up this contact list. After you set up the contact list, you just have to choose the list right over here. You can also choose multiple lists. So I'm just going to choose these two lists right over here. Now let's move on further. It is saying refine audience, so this is optional. First of all, you can exclude the contact list if you want. The second is you can exclude the specific contacts if you want directly from here. Apart from this, you can exclude the contacts in the active 24-hour conversation window. So if you switch on this toggle button, the contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours are going to get skipped so that they don't receive a reductant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. So just switch on this button if you wish. If you don't wish, you can just ignore. This is optional and move on further. It is asking me to select the message type. So here you have two options, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you want to send a regular message, go on this regular message, simply select the message type right over here, enter the caption, enter the file URL of the media and send the regular message. But if you want to send a pre-approved template message, go on this pre-approved template message and select the WhatsApp template over here. For that, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this template and the template list and make sure to create a WhatsApp template. In order to create this, you have to click on this add template button, and from here you can create your own template. You have to wait until Meta approves the template and then only you can select that WhatsApp template right over here. I have already created this WhatsApp template which is new product launch, so I'm just going to select the same. Now it is saying body field 1 name. What is this? I want to replace this name with the name of my customer every time I send an automated WhatsApp message. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to keep this as dynamic, and in order to keep this dynamic, we have to put $name right over here. Now this field has turned dynamic because this is a contact custom field. If you want to learn more about this contact custom fields, you can go on this left hand of the side towards this settings and then contact custom fields. Apart from that, I'll just let you know, if you just want to keep name dynamic, put $name and this name field will turn dynamic. You don't have to use much of efforts. Okay, now what you have to do, just click on this done and this WhatsApp message is selected. Now you can move in further. It is saying username and the phone number. So over here, before sending this WhatsApp message to multiple users at once, you can test it once. What you can do is you can simply enter the username right over here and then you can simply enter the mobile number using which you want to test it. You just have to click on this send test message and you're going to see it is saying test broadcast sent. So let's open our WhatsApp and you're going to see yes, we have received a new WhatsApp message. We just have to wait for a few seconds and yes, we have received this WhatsApp message. It looks fine and we can send it to multiple customers at once now. Okay, so let's just go back towards our broadcast and we're just going to schedule it. Okay, so in order to send this broadcast message, you have two options. You can schedule it for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send this instantly, click on this no send instantly, click on this add broadcast and it will be sent instantly. If you want to schedule this for later, click on this yes schedule for later. Simply go on this calendar button, select the date and time. So I want to schedule it for 31st of May 1 p.m. So I'm just going to select the date and time and click on this add broadcast button. Now this broadcast is scheduled for May 31, 2026 1 p.m. And when this broadcast is going to run further, I can view the stats of this broadcast. How many were sent, how many were delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. And apart from this, we have successfully learned how to set up bulk WhatsApp messaging for our own business, and this was a step-by-step tutorial just for you. If you like this, first of all, hit the like button. For more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel and go and try Pabbly Chatflow today, because you can send up to 100 WhatsApp messages for free. And then if you like Pabbly Chatflow, use my amazing discount coupon code to purchase the subscription plan. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.